everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, let's explore Dalian. Let's quickly know the history of Dalian and why is it famous. So back in the days, Dalian was mainly known for its Port Arthur or Liushun Ko was under the rule of Qing dynasty. During 1894, the first Sino-Japanese war started between China and Japan, and in 1895 Japan won. So the Treaty of Shimonoseki was signed by Qing dynasty, losing its Port Arthur, which comes under Liaodong Peninsula. So now comes the triple intervention of three Western powers, Russia, Germany and France, who pressurized Japan to renounce the Liaodong Peninsula. So it comes back to Qing dynasty. Then in 1898, Russia leased Port Arthur from China and named it as Dalian and started building its naval base and built Chinese Eastern Railway linking Dalian and to other territories. So here comes the entry of Japan again, as it saw Russians' expansion as a threat and launched a surprise attack on Port Arthur 1904, starting Russian-Japanese War. This war ended with Japan's victory with Treaty of Portsmouth 1905, and Russia had to transfer its lease of Dalian to Japan. Japan called Dalian as Dairen until the end of World War II 1945. After Japan's defeat, it finally became a part of China. Now it's a major financial, trade, logistics, high-tech industries, shipping and tourism hub. Now let's start exploring Dalian with its earliest transport system, which was introduced by Japanese during their rule. So the Heritage Line 201 still runs with its original style of wooden bodied trams. It is preserved today as a tourist attraction, which costs maximum of 2 yuans. Here you can see modern tram, so basically only few old trams are preserved. Okay, so now let's explore the first place, that is Russian Street. This street was built during Russian lease in Russian and European architecture, including old banks, shops and residences. And what you can do is just stroll along the street, visiting Russian style buildings, cafes and buy souvenirs. Definitely you need to have patience to get yourself a picture. No matter how skillful or passionate you are at photography, there is always an eye more passionate and skillful than you. There is this building in the entrance where you can find art exhibition. While strolling, you can find these places where you can get your live art done. And here you can rent these outfits and get yourself a photo shoot done. Now let's see what's inside these shops. Probably I'll just put it in cinematics because every single shop here has the same type of things. This is Venice town. It was designed by Italian architects to replicate Venice canals and architecture. So it's around 4 kilometers of artificial canals with 200 plus European style buildings, gondolas imported from Venice. Now it's a great tourist attraction with photography studios, restaurants, cafes and exhibition centers. You can arrive at this place before sunset so that you can enjoy sunset by the sea and feed seagulls if you're interested. At the entrance, you can find a small food street where you can find a lot of seafood options if you wanna try. So that's it for this video, guys. If I take a note on today, it would be: first, the public transportation is very convenient. Second, there wasn't any entry ticket for any of these two places. Third, gondola ride is about 120 RMB, and I had to wait a lot because there were so many people. If you have any questions, comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and part 2 will be coming soon.